Good morning children, Joyadas here. Today we will do exercise 10.4 where two angles and one side will be given, and this is ASA criteria. Question number 1, construct triangle ABC. Given measurement of angle A is equal to 60 degree, measurement of angle B is equal to 30 degree, and AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. I have taken the length 5.8 centimeter. You know how to draw line segment. In the previous two exercises I have shown you how to draw the line segment. Now draw 5.8 centimeter. I am showing you again how to draw a line segment with a given measurement. Draw one dot on 0 and take the line towards 5.8, and again on 5.8 you will take another dot on 5.8 and take the line towards 0. In this way you have to draw the line segment. This is 5.8 centimeter and this length is given AB. Name of the line is AB. Now what you have to do, angle A is equal to 60 degree and you know how to draw 60 degree. Put the pointer over here and draw angle 60 degree. Take any arc and draw angle 60 degree in this way. This is 60 degree angle, you know you have to put a point over here also, and then you join these two points and produce it. This is 60 degree. Now angle B equal to 30 degree. You know how to draw 30 degree. First you know draw 60 degree angle. Just mark the point of 60 degree angle, and after that you can draw a dotted line also, but do not give the full line because 60 degree is not required here. Here you need 30 degree angle. It is 60 degree and you need to bisect it to make 30 degree angle. How to bisect? Measure the face and draw two arcs on the same side of the angle by keeping the pointer on the two arms. First arm on AB here, and on 60 degree point you have to draw another angle, another arc. Let these two arcs meet in this point, intersecting point you have to mark again, and this is 60 degree. Now join these two points and produce it. This is 30 degree AB and this one is C. Understood? Now when two angles and one side is given, then you have to take the side as a base. It will be easy for you to draw the angles on the two ends of the line. Understood? If you want to check the angles, you can see. If you want to check the angles, you can see that both the angles you can measure that it is, see, it is exactly 60 degree. And if you want to check this one also, you can see that it is exactly 30 degree. Can you see? See, it is exactly 30 degree. In this way, you have to complete the construction. Now next, now in question number 2, construct triangle PQR. Length of PQ is given 5 centimeter. And angle Q, measurement of angle PQR means angle Q is given 105 degree, and angle QRP, that means angle R is given 40 degree. But length of PQ is given, where you need angle P and angle Q. Though angle Q is 105 degree, but we don't know what is the value of angle P. For this reason, we have to find the value of P. we have to use angle sum property of a triangle. And you know that angle P in a triangle, sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degree. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Put the value of angle Q and angle R. After that, angle P plus angle at this two 145 is equal to 180 degree. Use the concept of equation, simple equation. You can find the value of angle P, 180 minus 145 degree. Angle P is equal to 35 degree. So angle P 35 degree, angle Q 105 degree. Using protractor, draw these two angles. Angle P is equal to 35 degree. You have to go to the inner scale because base is here. 35 degree it is here. 35 degree, angle P is 35 degree. So draw 35 degree on P. It is 35 degree, and angle Q 105 degree. It is an obtuse angle. So the base is here and you have to use outer scale because base is on the left side now. 105 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. 105 is here. In between 100 and 110. It is 105. Now join these 2 points. You will get 105 over here, angle Q. This is 105 degree and this is 35 degree. To complete the triangle, you need to produce this side. Done. Then PQR. This is angle. This is the triangle PQR. Required triangle PQR. If you measure this angle, you will get it is 40 degree because angle R is 40 degree. This is 35 degree and this is 105 degree. Understood? I hope you all understood this, whatever we have explained today. Practice it properly. Thank you, students.